Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bio in the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Shein app. Till it opens up in the shop menu. From here we just have to go into the me menu. Then we tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, then tap on our name, then on bio, and here we can enter some few words about us, what we like, or basically anything that we would like to share on this app about ourselves. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.